Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So today I'm going to be showing y'all something really cool that was recently released. It's been around like a week or so, and what this is that you can use Samsung's One UI on any any iOS device. Well, mainly iPhones. So this isn't some third-party application that some other brand released. This is something that Samsung has made, and it is basically a website, so it's not even an app. As you can see, it's right there. It's called Samsung Eye Test. But to get to it, you first have to go to Safari. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through the steps to show y'all on how to get this. So before I do that, let me go ahead and explain the basic things that you're able to do with this. What it allows you to do is you can use your One UI without switching to a Samsung device to go ahead and test it out. You can't use all the features. You are limited by a lot because it's not a third-party application and it's not something Apple would probably allow. So you're not switching your iPhone into a Samsung device. This is just to go ahead and see how One UI is and the general things that are included with One UI. So the main reason they did that is so that iPhone users can go ahead and test it out and see if they enjoy it or not. So now that I've gone through the basic things that this is meant for, let's go ahead and see how we get this on our iPhone. So let's begin. So first up, you want to go to your Safari or Chrome or whatever you use on your iOS device, and you're going to go ahead and go to itest.nz. So once you go ahead and write that, I'll go ahead and leave a link down below just in case for the people that don't want to do that. You're going to be greeted with this screen right here, Samsung Eye Test. So as you can see, it says you're just 2 taps away. Tap the share icon at the bottom of your screen, scroll down the pop-up menu till you see add to home screen and hit add. So I've already done that step. What you would do is you just go ahead and click your share, and then you see the add to home screen, you click that, and then you click add, and that's it. Once you do that, it goes ahead and brings you a little app icon to your home screen. If you haven't done this before, you'll be able to figure it out. There's nothing hard with it. Let me go ahead and show y'all just in case for the people that won't be able to do it. So as you saw, I went ahead and clicked the share, and you go ahead and click add to home screen right here, and then you click add. But since I already have it, I won't be doing that. I'm gonna go ahead and click cancel and just go back to my home screen. And it should go ahead and pop up on your home screen somewhere wherever you use it. So maybe here, maybe there, and you should be able to find it pretty easily. So now that we've done that, let's go ahead and click our Samsung Eye Test app icon right here, and boom. So once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and be introduced to it. So you're about to get a little taste of Samsung without changing phones. Samsung Eye Test, go ahead and click next. We can't replicate every function, but you should quickly see that there's nothing daunting about switching to the other side. So that's what I was talking about. You're gonna be limited by a lot because you're not switching OS anyways. You're just going into a website which allows you to test out the One UI that Samsung has. So let's go ahead and click next. And watch out for text messages with hints on the best stuff to check out. So as you go ahead and start when you're using this, I guess like this software thingy or this application, it goes ahead and gives you notifications with messages as you're using it and clicking some things, and it will let you know what you can do with that and what that does. So let's go and let us begin. And boom, right there you can see that we have gotten into One UI. So I'm not sure what version they're showing, but it's probably the latest, or it's just one of the variants. So as you can see, Samsung, welcome to the other side. Swipe up, down, left, right to see what everything does. Tap on all the apps, make yourself at home. It's your phone after all. So let's go ahead and click back right there. And it has some things right here, generic friend, one, and then it just goes ahead and shows you how messages work. Let's go ahead and click back. And so let's go ahead and go through some of the things in here. So we are able to use Google, but I don't think we can search anything. Or did this just take to our own website? I think it did. So it just goes ahead and opens up the normal website or the app that you have. So it says, let's go back to our messages, and let's go back right here. Check out themes. It's an app on your home screen. Your phone shouldn't be generic. Samsung lets you transform the whole design. Try applying one now. So I'm guessing we can use our themes as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do the thing, or just hold down, or does it want us to do it from here? Okay, so it goes out and shows you some themes right here. Hey, it's Logan. You're getting more messages from here. We can go ahead and apply these if we want. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this just to show y'all what it does. And it's applying the theme. And boom, right there, we just got a really cool theme. This actually looks really nice. And you just applied it onto your iPhone just by that. So we can swipe right and we can see a Google feed right here. And then we can go back and swipe up and see all the apps right here, but some apps will not work. So one of these would be your camera right here. You allow it and then you just get this voice right here. This guy just starts speaking, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn that down. So he goes ahead and explains some stuff, and then you could go ahead and go to video, and then he just talks more about all the features, and then single take is a custom setting, and blah 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 blah. So it just talks about a whole bunch of things. I'm gonna go ahead and reset the theme if I can manage to. Let's go ahead and just apply that real quick so people don't get bothered by it. Okay, so that's basically what this is. It goes ahead and allows you to use some features, and as you can see, I cannot go into these folders as well. So a lot of things are limited, but I can go ahead and do the phone dialer and just start dialing. And then I could go to settings and just check out some settings right here. So let's go ahead and see if these work. Boom, they don't work. So basically, as I said, you're limited by a whole bunch, but you get to experience the main things of One UI just from your iPhone without switching phones. So I've seen a lot of videos on this, and some of them, they don't show you how to exit out of it, and I've seen it on Twitter as well. They're not sure how to do it. It's really easy, guys. All you have to do, it's like a normal app. Just treat it like a normal app. Just go down to your navigation bar and just swipe up. So these buttons right here are purposely placed here so that you don't have to use this right here. And all you have to do, as I said, just treat it like a normal app, swipe up, and boom, you're out of it. So right here, we can just go down to our task manager, and you can see Samsung iTest. I swiped it out, and that's about it. So that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.